So I know it's your first little, your first venture in your Hellcat and the first journey in your Hellcat. My only question is, how are you feeling today, sir?
I love it.
You're happy?
I'm very happy.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. I always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Always wishing y'all a blessed day, man, a blessed week, a blessed year. Here today, man, we got our camera back, so I'm so grateful to have it and be able to vlog. If you see my previous video, you see exactly why it is I haven't been able to vlog. My Osmo went down, started glitching, and it was just a big mess with the gimbal. But shout out to DJI, man. We sent it. They sent me a request, gave them the camera. 2 days later, brand new camera in my hand, here with this vlog for you guys today. I want to thank you, man. I'm going to introduce you to a customer for a very long time. It's Sean Duran, and he's actually brought me all kinds of cars, Corvettes and all these trucks and all that kind of stuff, man. So it's been a blessing to have him as a customer, but he always comes here and he sees one thing in common. A lot of people drive one of the craziest cars, and I'm going to say the craziest cars because it's kind of like the goal. Anybody who has a Mustang or a Camaro or a Corvette and they get it stock, they want to put money in it to do what? I gotta be the Hellcat.
Absolutely.
That is the goal. And unfortunately for y'all that hate on the Hellcats, listen, it is what it is. After a little bit of going through it for a couple months, he decided to buy a beautiful black Hellcat. I'm gonna introduce you today. We have a lot of work going on. I didn't get to bring y'all the vlog the other day because the camera was gone. First thing we did to this car was get some tires on it because he had some mods done to the vehicle. So he's pushing some decent horsepower compared to stock. But obviously we know that spin is not winning. So the first upgrade we did was throw in the Nito NT555 R2s, which are the drag radial soft compound. And I'm gonna let him himself actually tell you, from the street tires that you had before to this, what is the biggest difference that you notice?
No slippage.
No slippage, because you hit it and the car goes.
Yes, absolutely.
Isn't that a phenomenal feeling?
At best.
Compared to the beginning, we went out for the ride for the first.
Everywhere.
We went out for the ride the first day. There was a little Mustang that got a little funny with us, and we had to teach him a little bit of the Gapabees, but we got that done. But today we're going to be outfitting the car with a lot of different mods. We're doing some lighting, we're doing some underglow, we got the louvers and a couple other things. I got to go check the list. So this car is in today for Mr. Sean. This is what she looked like right now. Let's see what she looked like when she gets done. She is actually a beautiful car, man. She got the downforce solutions, lower spin. She also has the downforce solution wicker bill already on it, which is actually a good manufacturer, great product. Shout out to them. They're actually logo, because that's how you know who they are. But this is the car for Mr. Sean Duran, and today we're gonna do the tear down, break it down, and try to get it done for him. So we had this scheduled as a one-day project maybe a couple weeks ago. Car got delayed with Sean because of the performance build they were doing from a friend of his. So they did what they had to do. He got the car back. He scheduled 2 half-a-days. He comes in this morning and says, Jeff, can you do it all today? I said, bro, because of the half-a-day scheduling kind of weird, let me see if we can pull this off, man. So stay tuned as we do the tear down and the build of this vehicle. I'm also gonna update you guys today with the camera and other build we have in the shop. Stay tuned. Give you an update of what's going on here in the shop today, man. I haven't been able to update y'all, but this is what we got. So we have the orange car that we did the wrap and everything for. We've had a big dilemma and problem on this car, man. It's finding these spindles for SRT. I don't buy stolen parts. I could have found them stolen quickly, but I don't do that. We got the spindles in finally, doing the big brake conversion on it. It's a used kit, but it's a big brake conversion we're doing on this one. We're also doing the rear spindles on this car to get the big brake conversion done on this one here. So this could be a big brake conversion, and then this car is ready to be out the door. On top of that, we have this beautiful car here from Mr. Billy. We're doing the upper pulley, lower pulley, injectors, custom tune. Get this one out to him shortly. I was sick for a few days this week, so obviously things fell a little bit behind. This one's coming to y'all. We're doing an OEM wide body build on this one. This one came in from Houston or Austin. We've already disassembled the whole front. Paint and body is already done. So that means I got all the parts being painted right now at my body shop that I deal with to get all the parts to be color matched and painted, so we can go and put the fenders on this car and get this car together for this customer. Then we also have this one here, which is a car that was a theft recovery. This car was stolen, and when it was stolen, they did a lot of damage to the car, so we're dealing with the insurance on getting everything paid for. As you can see, we got fender damage. They literally ripped the side panels off, door panels. There's a lot of damages in this car. We're dealing with that now to get this car situated and also out for the customer. We have that one back there that y'all can't see because that's a surprise, but that one's actually giving me a headache. Went out to paint and body and the car was disassembled. Got the car back, we're dealing with the problem right now. with it has a short, so I mean when we put a fuse in, it keeps on popping a fuse on these cars, and that's what I'm gonna have to deal with today and try to get that. So this is kind of what we're dealing with today. Think of the old knuckles that we had originally on the car. We took those off, got the SRT ones, and we're doing the big brake conversion. Stay tuned, y'all, if we get this rolling. We're giving y'all an update of what's going on. Mr. Sean Duran's car, the car we just talked to the guy up front. Car is completely disassembled, as you can tell. So we're now in the process of doing the DLR kit install, which is on the table over there with Josh, and this one is coming together right now, so we should have this out the door. But guys, look what we have the privilege of working on. I mean, bro, God has blessed us dramatically. We got a beautiful Ferrari that came in. We're doing some undisclosed stuff that belongs to a company. Obviously, they do rentals, and we're gonna make sure that they don't get away with this rental. That's all I can tell y'all. But this car is absolutely a gorgeous car, y'all. Red interior, red Italian leather. There's nothing to talk about. This is Italian leather, y'all. This car real for, you know, carbon fiber. There's nothing about this car that's absolutely fake. This is a beautiful damn car. Hopefully when I grow up, I'll be able to hang out with the Real gang and the 32 gang. Shout out to CJ, shout out to Real, doing big things, man. Very inspirational as they do what they do, y'all. So right now, just trying to bring y'all an update, man, but it's kind of a crazy day. I've been nonstop since I got here, letting the team do what they have to do in the back so we can continue growing and do what we need to do here to serve y'all, man. So I'm gonna let the team do their work. Back with y'all shortly. Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you a little progress update that's going on the vehicle from my boy, Sean Duran. As you can see, they got it coming together already. DLR kit's already installed. So that, like that, the DLR Flow Series kit is installed. So Josh, walk us through what are you doing right now at this point in time in this vehicle. You got the DLRs installed, the controllers installed. What's the next step for you here? Organize everything, clean it up, and I guess we got a badge that goes in the front, right? An Underglow kit, but that's a new Underglow kit. I'm gonna let you figure it out, but that's a new kit that came out. I'll let you deal with that. I don't know what's what. I'll leave you alone on that one, but that's going. There's two long ones and two shorter ones. Yeah. I think it's a 6-bar.
That's not bad, I got 4 lights.
So front, side, side. Front, rear, side, side. It's the new stuff that came out from them, so I can't even tell you. Everything changes if we do what we have to do. Meanwhile, that's going on. We have the Jose working here on the tail light. We're also doing a smoke out tail light kit for that. As you can tell what it's coming out to be like, as Jose's doing a wrap on that. So I'm just giving you a job in progress, y'all, so y'all can see what's going on. Pretty interesting, but the teamwork makes the dream work. Let them do what they do. Hey guys, so at this point in time, we're done with most of the builds, but this one's the one that we're bringing to y'all. As y'all can see, it is looking good. DLR kit, badges, Underglow kit. All this is going phenomenal on this car. That is what we're talking about. This is the lighting part of this build today. We actually have another part of the build that we're gonna be working on, which is gonna be the audio system. But as of today, this part is done. So let's get Mr. Sean to come take a look at his car. Stay tuned. All right guys, so pre-delivery, we're getting the car cleaned up, a little touched up, you know what I'm saying? Fingerprint stuff do get on cars. So the guys are wiping it down. We got a chemical guy, chemicals with his hydro speed, pretty much that right there, like a wash wax thing, just to get the car buttoned up and cleaned up, due to the fact that there is handprints in the car. But that'll take care of that problem and get the car looking fabulous and clean for that wow feeling, or that wow factor when you have a customer's car being picked up. It's definitely a great touch to have. We just added the louver to the back, which is something else we just did. And now that is done, and now we are waiting for Mr. Sean to come in and pick it up. Phase 2 is going to be tomorrow when we do the whole audio build, but as of today, that one is ready to go, signed, sealed, and delivered for the lighting build. It is phenomenal, it is beautiful. I'm excited that it's coming together. Tires are done, lights are done, all that great. This car is getting ready to be delivered. Let's get Sean's reaction. Duran, Mr. Duran, Mr. Duran! Time to pick up your baby girl. So you got that louver back there that you were asking for.
Hey,
no. Go. And now we're about to show them what it looks like in the shade, because it's sunny out there, y'all. So I'm gonna bring it over here. I kind of like the red. I really do like the red, but I mean, you know, everybody their own. My son's a blue kind of guy, but as we can tell here, and we're seeing your beautiful Challenger, you actually have your DLR kit. It's actually a Flow Series kit. So I'm gonna show you what I'm having my son do that with you over there. You say you got a single color, Sean? Give me a solid red. Give me a blue. Give me your favorite color, pink. I will prove to you that it's a favorite color, and I'll tell you why
Not
later.
my favorite
I'm gonna show you that it is later on. But now, if you look, you also see thinking about them. Now, I want you to do me a favor, Sean. I want you to go put me in auto mode. Let me have my son. He's the king of this here. But we're going to go hit an auto mode. So look at this. On auto mode, you have multiple colors going on. So auto mode is going to just kind of give you a variety of all the 200 different patterns that you have. You'll be able to learn the patterns, and I'll show you how that works with your phone. So let's say you like pattern number 76 and number 12, you'll be able to know them and go to those patterns directly. But right now, she's going on a miscellaneous everything kind of journey, like she can give you everything. Like what this auto mode does here. You got Underglow doing flow series, you got DLRs doing flow series, you got your SRT letting everybody know you got a Hellcat badge going on that, and now you're able to, because my son's dealing with it right now from his phone, which he's gonna walk you through that. On top of that, you have the Underglow, of course, and you could actually see it from the bottom right now. You could kind of tell what it's doing. It's kind of hard to see it, but you can see what it's doing because you get to see the glow at night. If it goes flow series, so you'll be able to see that it's doing a pattern of designs in there. So you get to play with this more at night, you know what I'm saying? This is definitely coming in tomorrow. We got a little trick for him on that one there too. That bag is not going silver no more, just so you know. Got your little black one with a little red eye in it, so that could be pretty badass. But on top of that, you know, the car's coming together. So I know it's your first little, your first venture in your Hellcat and the first journey in your Hellcat. My only question is, how are you feeling today, sir?
I love it.
You're happy?
I'm very happy.
Did Josh do a good job?
He did a great job.
Hopefully it doesn't catch fire.
Hopefully he doesn't catch fire. He did a great job.
We got full coverage though. No, but you know what? This one here today, guys, this is gonna be a multiple step, man. This is definitely gonna be a multiple step project. But today, the first part of the lighting is gone. We did the louvers in the back. Tomorrow we're gonna work on another part, which is gonna be making this car have a good system. As you guys know, these Dodges suffer from what I call the Dodge curse, because they got a volume and they sound good when you first buy the cars, but after you own the car for a while, you get so used to it, it doesn't have enough power. So we have a resolution for that. That could be the next attack on part 2 of this video. I'm getting the audio done, but for today, lighting's done. Tomorrow I'm gonna surprise him with the badges. He doesn't know exactly what I'm doing on that, but I'm gonna surprise him with some badges, do something special for him on that one, and get this one signed, sealed, delivered, y'all. I'm gonna end this video today, always telling y'all thank y'all. Well, you know what? I can't end this video yet, because I got something else that I want to show you, and that is this right here. I don't know if many of y'all know what this is. This is the Maybach. This is not a Mercedes-Benz, y'all. This is the Maybach logos. It is a real Maybach, and we had the privilege of working on this today. I got it parked outside, but y'all, I got the keys. I could take y'all inside of it. I don't want to get inside because it's white. Y'all don't believe we did it. I don't care. But this is a Maybach, and it is a beautiful GLS 600 Maybach from Mercedes-Benz, and we got this one out the door today too, y'all. So I'm gonna go back and show him, Mr. Sean. We got one more thing to show you.
What?
Your taillights. You want them blacked out. You want to be able to turn off your lights and hide from the cops. Well, they're blacked out. Now you got a smoke look.
Nice.
And let me show you what it turns on to look like when you get this vehicle on.
Damn, that looks cool.
So when you're driving at night,
Nice.
you actually have your red. So you're legal with the stealth look all together.
I love it.
Part 1 is done. Part 2 coming in tomorrow. I'm going to end this video. Always tell y'all thank y'all for watching, man. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.